All right, people, buckle up. We're diving into Sindh, a province in Pakistan with more history than a textbook and more flavor than your grandma's secret spice rack. We're talking ancient civilizations, landscapes that'll make you want to ditch your phone, and cities buzzing with energy. From Karachi's bustling streets to the serene banks of the Indus River and the edge of the Thar Desert. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or just someone who loves adventure, Sindh's got something for everyone. Let's go. First up, Karachi. This isn't just any city, it's Pakistan's beating heart, a metropolis that never takes a break. Imagine a place where the energy of New York City meets the chaotic charm of Delhi, all while overlooking the Arabian Sea. Karachi is a city that thrives on its contrasts. This is where the money talks, the chai flows, and the streets are always buzzing. The markets are alive with colors, sounds, and the irresistible aroma of street food. But Karachi knows how to chill too. When the hustle and bustle get too much, the city offers serene escapes. Picture this: sunset on the beach, the salty air hitting your face, and the sound of waves crashing. It's a perfect way to unwind after a long day, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some dolphins playing in the waves. These playful creatures add a touch of magic to the city's coastline. Karachi sits where the mighty Indus River meets the Arabian Sea, creating a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sprawl. From the iconic Mazar-e-Quaid to the vibrant street food scene, Karachi is a feast for the senses. The city's rich history and modern vibrancy coexist in perfect harmony. So if you're ever in Pakistan, make sure Karachi is on your list. It's a city that promises an unforgettable experience. Trust me, this city will steal a piece of your heart. With its endless energy and undeniable charm, Karachi is a place like no other. Next stop, Hyderabad, a city where every corner whispers tales of the past and every street is a chapter in the grand book of history. This place is like that wise old grandfather, full of wisdom and stories that span generations. He's got a story for everything, from the rise and fall of empires to the everyday lives of people who lived centuries ago. We're talking centuries of history, ancient dynasties, and a culture so rich, it'll make you want to trade your smartphone for a history book. Imagine walking through streets that have seen the footsteps of kings and commoners alike. Hyderabad sits pretty on the banks of the mighty Indus River, a lifeline that has nurtured civilizations for millennia. From ancient empires rising and falling to the birth of a nation, the Indus has seen it all. It's a silent witness to the passage of time. Ever heard of the Talpa dynasty? These rulers left an indelible mark on the region. These guys ruled Sindh back in the day, and Hyderabad was their jam. They transformed the city into a hub of culture and architecture. They built palaces, mosques, and tombs that still stand tall today, echoing the grandeur of their era. Take the tombs of the Talpur Emirs, for example. These structures are not just tombs, they're a testament to the architectural brilliance of the time. These majestic structures are like a portal to another era, offering a glimpse into the past. Walk through its bustling bazaars, and you'll find a vibrant blend of old and new. The markets are alive with the spirit of the city, the aroma of spices, the clatter of metalworkers, the colorful fabrics. It's a sensory overload that captures the essence of Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a must-visit for its history, culture, and food. It's a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony, offering an experience that's both enriching and unforgettable. Hold on tight, folks, because we're heading to Sukur, a city that's like the cool, quirky cousin you never knew you had. Nestled in the heart of Sindh, Sukur is a blend of old-world charm and modern hustle. It's a place where history and contemporary life coexist in a fascinating dance. They call it the Gate of Sindh, and for good reason. This city serves as a vital entry point to the province, welcoming travelers with open arms and a rich tapestry of experiences. This is where the Indus River flexes its muscles, showcasing its raw power and beauty. The river is the lifeblood of the region, providing water, sustenance, and a sense of identity to the people who live here. Sukur Barrage, built in the 1930s, tamed the mighty Indus, making agriculture possible in this arid region. This engineering marvel transformed the landscape, turning barren lands into fertile fields. Sukur is home to a rare and endangered species, the Indus river dolphin. These unique creatures are a testament to the rich biodiversity of the region. These blind dolphins are highly adapted to navigate the murky depths. Using echolocation, they find their way through the river's challenging waters, a remarkable adaptation to their environment. Sukur isn't all about rivers and dolphins, it's also a city steeped in history and culture. From ancient architecture to modern-day landmarks, the city offers a rich tapestry of stories waiting to be discovered. From the ancient Sadhu Bello temple to the bustling bazaars, Sukur is a feast for the senses. The vibrant markets filled with traditional Sindhi crafts and foods offer a glimpse into the local way of life. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, Sukur is calling your name. Whether you're exploring its historical sites or enjoying the natural beauty of the Indus River, this city promises an unforgettable experience. Chapter 4, Larkana, Cradle of Civilization. Get ready to travel back in time, folks, because we're heading to Larkana, a city bursting with history. This is the land where the Indus Valley civilization flourished thousands of years ago. Just a stone's throw away from Larkana lies Mohenjo-Daro, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine walking through the ruins of a city that predates the pyramids of Egypt. But Larkana isn't just about ancient history. It's also a place of political significance. This is the land of the Bhutto family, a political dynasty that shaped Pakistan's history. Situated in the heart of Sindh's fertile plains, Larkana is surrounded by fields of wheat, cotton and sugarcane. Larkana is a must-visit for its history, culture and natural beauty. Chapter 5, Kaipur, Dates, Deserts and Dynasty. Welcome to Kaipur, a city that's like a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Sindh. This former princely state, ruled by the Talpur dynasty, is a fascinating blend of Rajasthani and Sindhi cultures. Kaipur is the date capital of Pakistan, with vast plantations stretching as far as the eye can see. There's nothing quite like biting into a fresh, juicy date straight from the tree. Step into the magnificent Faiz Mahal, the former residence of the Talpur rulers. This architectural marvel is like a page ripped straight out of the Arabian Nights. If you're a wildlife enthusiast, visit the Murano Wildlife Sanctuary. This desert oasis is home to a surprising array of flora and fauna. Kaipur is a blend of history, culture and natural beauty. Chapter 6, Shikapur, the seven-gated city. Get ready to step back in time, folks, because we're heading to Shikapur, a city that's like a living museum. This ancient city was once a major trading hub, a crossroads where caravans converged. Shikapur is famous for its havelis, elaborately decorated mansions built by wealthy merchants. These architectural gems are like snapshots of a bygone era. Wander through its bustling bazaars and you'll be greeted by a cacophony of sounds, smells and sights. Shikapur is known for its Sindhi delicacies, from the spicy sai bhaji to the sweet doodh pati. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Shikapur is calling your name. Chapter 7, Mirpur Kas, Land of the King of Fruits. Get ready to tantalize those taste buds, folks, because we're heading to Mirpur Kas, a city synonymous with mangoes. This city is renowned throughout Pakistan for producing some of the finest mangoes in the world. From the Sindri to the Chaunsa, Mirpur Kas is a mango lover's paradise. But Mirpur Kas isn't just about mangoes. Visit the ancient ruins of Brahmanabad, a lost city that dates back to the 7th century. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a camel safari into the Thar Desert. It's a landscape that's both harsh and beautiful. Mirpur Kas is a blend of history, culture and natural beauty. Chapter 8, Tando Allahar, where mangoes reign supreme. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter a mango lover's paradise. Tando Allahar is renowned for producing some of the most flavorful, most aromatic, most sought-after mangoes in the entire country. But Tando Allahar isn't just about mangoes. Visit the shrine of Hazrat Shah Fariduddin Ganj Shakar, a revered Sufi saint. Head to the city's bustling bazaars where you'll find everything from traditional handicrafts to fresh produce. No trip to Tando Allahar would be complete without indulging in some delicious Sindhi cuisine. Tando Allahar is a blend of history, culture and natural beauty. Chapter 9, Sujawal, where the river meets the sea. Get ready to experience the raw beauty of nature, folks, because we're heading to Sujawal, a coastal city caught between the Indus River and the Arabian Sea. This city, located in the heart of the Indus Delta, is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Imagine a landscape where the river meets the sea, creating a rich and diverse ecosystem. From flocks of migratory birds to schools of fish, the Indus Delta is a wildlife enthusiast's dream. Fishing is a major source of livelihood here, with countless colourful boats bobbing on the water. Visit the ancient ruins of Dabul, a once thriving port city sacked by Muhammad bin Qasim in the 8th century. Sujawal is a blend of history, culture and natural beauty. Chapter 10, Kashmore on the edge of the desert. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading to Kashmore, a city that stands sentinel on the edge of the Thar Desert. Kashmore is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Imagine a landscape where the green fields of the Indus Valley give way to the undulating sand dunes of the Thar Desert. Despite these challenges, the people of Kashmore have thrived for centuries. Agriculture is the mainstay of the local economy, with fields irrigated by canals that snake through the desert. Visit the ancient ruins of Rajanpur, a nearby city that dates back to the Indus Valley civilization. Kashmore is a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Outro, until next time, Sindh. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the heart and soul of Sindh. From the bustling streets of Karachi to the tranquil banks of the Indus River, Sindh is a land of contrasts. We've explored bustling cities, ancient ruins, and natural wonders. But most importantly, we've experienced the warmth, the hospitality, and the indomitable spirit of the Sindhi people. If you're looking for an adventure that will stay with you long after you've returned home, Sindh is calling your name.